Busy weekend here at the garage. Lincoln Aviator in for ceramic coating. Explorer ST ceramic coated last night. And this is one of my customers, Joshua, brought me his bug slammed STI. I coated this with Gian Mo's Evo and a layer of skin for the Synchro Evo kit. So yeah, just checked 22 months ago. So this is a ceramic coated vehicle. So if these bugs come off pretty easy, we know the coating is working well, but we're gonna do a little bug showdown today. In the little generic Amazon electric foamer there on the left, we have P&S Bug Off, diluted 2-to-1. In the big IK foamer, DIY Details All Clean, 15-to-1. When I make 2 gallons of that up, I'll put in about an ounce of their Incredible Suds soap to give it a little bit more thicker foam and higher dwell time. I'm gonna foam half the bumper and the mirror over here with the DIY Detail All Clean foamer. And then we'll do the other half with the Bug Off. And we're just gonna see if one of them breaks down the bugs and releases any better than the other one. So this little generic foamer here, it's gotta get up to pressure before it does its pattern. It's right here down the center. This thing is slammed going over the Bay Bridge along Lake Erie in North Coast, Ohio. Let that work there, and then right there, get that going. All clean. Sorry if the camera work is bad. I'm trying to use a neck mount for my iPhone here. A nice thick layer of that. Love the IK Foam Pro 12. So we'll let these sit. It's pretty cool here. You can already see all the bug deposits in there. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but the bugs are just turning yellow underneath that foam. You could tell that P&S Bug Off, oh, look at that, is really melting them underneath the foam. I will warn you, I have seen, Bug Off is a very strong bug cleaner. A couple times on some grills on the front of car or some Harley Davidson engine guards, maybe if it's like powder coated, if it's not real good paint, it can leave a residue or stain. So be very careful with this Bug Off. It is strong. It's dilutable up to 5-to-1, 10-to-1. Here in this case, like I said, 2-to-1. Look at it just dropping. Do not let either of these products dry. I'm working in the shade. Cool to the touch. That is crazy. So you're getting some of that breakdown of the organic matter underneath, but look at all that. Oh, I didn't do up in there. Let's put some Bug Off up in there. I'll come back and hit these with a higher concentration spray pattern with my Active 2.0 pressure washer. Love, 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 love that pressure washer. Let's start over here. Always check the tip. Not bad, couple little bigger ones there. Like I said, you do not want this stuff to dry. So far as the mirrors were concerned, I did not really see an advantage of one over the other. Let's start right here in the middle. We'll make one pass across the bumper and see what results we get. I'll try to keep the same speed all the way across. One pass. And the bug off did dwell, what, 30 seconds longer. Actually, they both do a pretty darn good job. That's really good right there. A slight advantage to bug off in that. Yeah, as I'm hitting some of these bugs here, it seemed like the bug off liquefied those guts a little bit better for ease of spraying off, just in my opinion. Yeah, those bugs are very mushy. Everything blew off the headlight real nice there. I mean, so did the All Clean. Both phenomenal. See the hydrophobics here. The ceramic coating's looking great. I'm sure this car is garage kept, which really does help prolong the life of any ceramic coating. Well, my quick bug gut reaction is that bug off did a little bit better. It seemed like it made them a little softer, juicier for them to spray off. But DIY Details All Clean and the foamer did amazing too. Get a product that foams or a sprayer. That foam will give it that dwell time instead of just running and dropping off your vehicle. Both products A+.